One thing about remanufacturing, you don't necessarily think of that as innovation because we're taking an existing part and fixing it. But to me, what's innovative about it is that we're taking something that could have ended up in a landfill, but in this case, we're taking a part that's already good, that has the basic structure already intact, and there's just certain aspects of it that need to be fixed. And to create the processes to be able to do that, to make those fixes. When you see thousands of cores and the same areas are worn, you know what needs to be fixed on it. And figuring out how to fix those issues and maybe even improve the design so that it'll last even longer, to me, that is a big part of the innovative spirit that Cardone has, to take something that was used and make it like new, and then be able to sell it at a much lower price than what you would pay to buy a new part. And in the meantime, you're also doing a good deed for our planet and our resources. To me, that's innovative.